Welcome to the EdbMails MSG to PST export, a step-by-step guide. EdbMails MSG to PST converter lets you quickly convert MSG files to PST format while preserving essential details like subject, sender, recipient, and attachments. Whether it's a few messages or a full folder, EdbMails ensures fast, accurate conversion with full Outlook compatibility. With a simple interface, folder preview, and flexible export options, it's a reliable tool for exporting MSG to PST. Let's walk through the step-by-step process using EdbMails.
Download EdbMails from the official website.
Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File.
Complete the installation process on your system.
Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select EML, MSG Export to Outlook PST. Select MSG to PST. Keep the default job name or click New Job to change. Click Next to continue. Click Browse MSG folder. Select the MSG folder for export. Click Browse. Select the location to store the exported data. Click Next to continue. Expand the folder. Click on Folder to preview all the items. Select the MSG folder that you wish to export. Click Next to continue. Click Start Export. Export operation under progress. Upon export completion, you will receive the export completion message. Click the View Logs button to get the export operation report. Now, launch the Outlook application. Click File. Click Open and Export. Click Open Outlook Data File. Select Exported PST file. Verify the exported items. That's it. For a hassle-free MSG to PST export, visit edbmails.com today.